Are you getting the photo can't be posted error on Instagram using your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you the easy ways to fix this Instagram posting error. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Allow full access. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on Apps. Here, find the Instagram app and tap on it. Then, tap Photos. Here, make sure to select Full Access. Now, try to upload photo in the Instagram and see whether the issue is solved or not. If not, Solution 2. Turn off restriction. Open Settings again, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down a little bit, then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions. Solution 3. Offload Instagram app. Open up the settings once again, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the Instagram app. If you don't find the Instagram here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on Instagram. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. That's it. These steps should fix the photo can't be posted error on Instagram on your iPhone. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.